how to buy tapswap token. So this token came under the symbol of taps. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be available for trading today. You need to wait 11 hours to be able to buy it on MEXC platform. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, go and log into your account like that. So as you can see, now go back to the X page and copy the symbol of that token. So after you copy it, go to your account and here on search, paste the symbol of that token. So as you can see, click on this pair. So after you click on it, you need to wait a few seconds. So this token, as you can see, it will be available for 11 hours to be able to buy it. So after this token, it's live for trading. What you need to do, click on buy here as an option, click on the limit, type here how much you want to buy of that token. Here we'll be able to see how much you will receive, how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and click here on buy taps. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy taps. So this is how to buy taps token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.